Hello everyone, welcome to Tuk's channel. Today, Tuk is going to introduce you to a software that you can use when posting and setting up your live stream. The reason why we see those live feeds with so many viewers is actually because they all use certain settings, guys. It's nothing too extraordinary or mysterious. Here, this is what I'm going to briefly introduce about this TikTok software. For example, however many accounts you have, this is how I use it. With accounts like these, we can add them to different interaction boards, depending on how you want to set it up, meaning whatever function you want, you can configure it, like how to set it up, how to post, and so on. Here is the setting function. You can copy the link, paste it here, and it will run automatically, just like viral marketing. Because you have to understand the algorithm of TikTok or really any platform is designed to keep users engaged. For example, let's say you post a TikTok video that's about 30 seconds long. But if someone clicks in and watches for less than 3 seconds before leaving, TikTok will automatically assume that your video isn't high quality. So it won't promote it to other users anymore because your content isn't engaging. For example, following this approach, we can adjust our production by setting the timing. If it's a 30-second video, we let viewers watch for about 15 to 20 seconds or even 25 seconds. That way, if the video is engaging enough to keep users watching for 15 to 20 seconds, TikTok will automatically recommend and distribute your video to the next batch of viewers from 500 to 1,000 more people. And when the next 500 to 1,000 viewers also watch for similar durations, the algorithm will automatically recommend it further. And that's how it goes viral. So this is the software our team is running, as you can see here. Here, you can see, I'll go into the setup settings. There, we just copy these links here, paste them into TikTok. See, you guys can see here, this is the live feed. When they have this many viewers, I just copy it and paste it right here. You just paste it straight in, no need to make it complicated. Then you load it up, however many accounts you have, then hit start, and it will automatically post just like that. You see that? We don't waste much time at all. It just runs automatically. See, normally we'd have to use each device separately or use methods that cost quite a bit of money, but this software can do it all for you. Each one opens up with its own account in a separate window, each one individually. We can totally do this. See, you can see it logging in. See, you can see it, you just press stop. Today, I'm just giving you a quick demo. So there you go. It automatically goes in here. See, it's live streaming and there are 21 viewers. Now I'll switch to another TikTok channel. Here, I'll click on live so it's easier for you to visualize. It's still searching for some live feed. Here, we just need to come here to copy, then paste the link here. That is not difficult at all. Just copy and paste. See, we copy this link, look. And here, there are this many viewers right now. Then you paste it here and set it up according to the time slot you want. This supports both English and Vietnamese, by the way. See, it will automatically comment for you. You just type your message in here. Just set it up right here. See that? It opens up again right away. It even shows the exact name of the person who's live. So for example, if any of you are selling products, you just need to press a button like this. It's very simple, doesn't take much time at all. This isn't limited at all, guys. The more likes you have, the more it will automatically keep running. After it finishes one action for the simulated user, it will stop and then immediately start another batch. Watch the viewer count go up. Rest assured, for the software or trial, contact 097 577 0430 or reach out via Telegram to Tukfam MKT.